Hey guys, welcome to CloudCoin. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up CloudCoin local wallet and Skywallet in the first time using Windows version. Step 1. Just open any browser you want. In my example, I'm using Google Chrome. Then, just browse to cloudcoin.global to download the CloudCoin wallet application. Once you are in the site, just click Download Wallet button. You will be redirected to cloudcoinconsortium.com site. You have to scroll down to Windows Download section, this one, and click on CloudCoin Wallet Installer 4.0.14 Windows Edition, or you may choose any available latest version from cloudcoinconsortium.com site. The CloudCoin wallet.exe will be downloaded to your downloads folder. Once the download is completed, you have to locate the CloudCoin wallet.exe in your download folder. So let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, the download is completed. You can now locate the CloudCoin wallet application. Then we have to double click to run the application. If you are using Windows 10, it will prompt you about Windows protected your PC. Just click More Info and click Run Anyway button to proceed with the installation. Just follow the default steps. Just click Next, and click Install. Okay, you have to launch the CloudCoin wallet application. Once the installation completed, just click Finish. It will now download the CloudCoin file or configuration file from the CloudCoin server. We have to wait for a few minutes. Once you see the terms and conditions, for CloudCoin wallet, just scroll down to the bottom and you have to check the checkbox I have read and agree with the terms and conditions, and click continue. Then you have to create your first local wallet. So for the wallet name, and in my example, I will use 1. Then you also need to enable the password protected wallet and also the enable coin recovery by email, and click continue. You also need to create a wallet password. Then click continue. You also need to check all the 3 checkboxes and click continue. Then you need an email address so you can recover your coins via email once you lost them. So the CloudCoin consortium recommends you use a pre-encrypted email from ProtonMail. In my example, I will use my ProtonMail account. Then click continue. As you can see, my first local wallet, 1, has been created. All I have to do is I need to secure the password that I have created into a secure location. Then I have to take note the email address that I use for the recovery email. Click continue. Then it is requesting a pre-coin. So this part is for your Skywallet. If this is the first time you set up CloudCoin wallet, you may be eligible to receive 1 free CloudCoin. If there is one available for you, it will be downloaded automatically. This CloudCoin is used as the ID coin to create your first Skywallet. The first user on your computer gets the free CloudCoin. Additional user accounts on the same computer may not be eligible. Okay, so for the proposed address, I will try 1 cloud as my Skywallet name. Then just keep the default domain name skywallet.cc, and for the PIN, you have to enter a PIN. Then click continue. It is now registering your debit card. Alright, it's all set. So the next step, you have to locate or check the advanced view. Just click yes so that you can see your Skywallet account. So the first one is your local wallet, and the second one is your Skywallet address, 1cloud.skywallet.cc. Alright, that's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.